4 seasons of Criminal Minds.
That body right there, I'm getting. You know what I mean? I kind of like come and that are pretty ripe. So, maybe extra.
He's 6 foot. He's walking. That looks suspect. Look at this.
Good morning, guys. I'm gonna go pick up my mom. Yeah. I will see you guys when I get back.
You can't see what they're doing inside because most footage camera in the each rooms.
Okay.
They were working that night,
Okay.
of course.
Okay.
That's, I think, so it's good.
Okay.
So basically, right, what happened?
Oh, it's a frozen egg.
I know, I hate when those eggs, I don't know, our fish was so cold.
I know.
And, but they see a man in like,
Enter after she entered.
no, they don't see her, remember? They don't see the video.
Oh.
So he's trying to be a cop. We think so. And he's like opening doors, closing them, opening doors, closing them. But so he's doing it very quietly and nonchalant. Like he's just chilling. Like this is not something like fast, opening doors, trying to look for something neat. It's not a robbery. It can't be a robbery gone wrong. If it's a robbery, they will be working really fast.
Right, they have their agenda.
But this one's just like, oh, I'm just opening C.
So almost like a janitor would go about
Yeah.
each room like that.
No, but it's like, yeah, but it's even more relaxed. That's the thing, though. And guess what? He had a hammer in his hand. But he was moving slowly.
So he was waiting for her.
We don't know. And so the police just like, oh shoot, this is a potential murder. No one will walk this slowly. Plus, why is he walking
Take
that slowly?
their time.
Take their time.
Let
Even if
me
it was
see
a
what
murder, why are they
she's
taking?
in.
Yeah, why are they taking their time though?
Right.
I want season 4 Criminal Minds. They never take
Season
their
4, you're like, I'm a
I should've been-
experienced crime detective.
I literally should have been on this case. I should have been. Anywho, there's a distinctive characteristic about this.
He has a lip.
Yes! Yes, Sonia!
Yes.
Yes! Okay, so basically now he has a lip. A very distinctive lip. Like he has
It's like obvious, like a.
Yeah. It was very distinctive. Like you can catch his lip anywhere.
Yeah. Guys, I really want to eat that cake, but it's 11. Finish it and then tell me who killed her. Oh wait. Okay. Also because you had just left and I had just noticed. That's why I was like, there's no way she can't hear me. You know?
I heard you. That's what I was like, quickly rushing downstairs so like kids know. You do what?
Write my report.
Yeah, I have to because I was going to paint my nails. Because I like Beyonce's nails. I was like your nails. So I'm combining the two.
I have to paint my toes.
Are you doing it today? Yeah, so let me know you do your nails. I
don't know if I am.
Like this, at some point this week.
Okay.
Do you want to wash my top, please?
No.
Okay, I'm going to go back to my history.
So she's died. To be honest, he looks like he has a weird walk.
Yeah, you see that?
Like this dance right here, the way he's
Yeah.
walking, that looks suspect.
Look at this. Look at this one right there. You see that? Where he's like kind of tracking his
Like
arm.
the way. That's a church.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of church that is.
Not the FBI right now. I can't get out the.
Oh, it's a cold case.
I'm on season 4.
It was never solved.
Never.
Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a chopper.
So this is a cold case never found the killer.
Yeah.
So we have banana bread today. That's pretty ripe. Bananas that are pretty ripe. So Oh, it might be extra banana-y, actually. So I'm gonna make banana bread. Do you want to make banana bread with me?
What?
Do you want to make banana bread with me today and learn?
I'm trying to stop the FBI solve an unsolved murder case right now.
Okay. I'll take that as a no. I will teach you. I actually forgot my original recipe because the one I made tasted slightly different.
Yeah.
You tasted it, right?
Yeah. The first one was better.
The first one was better. So I need to make something just as good.
I kind of want to make meatloaf.
Tonight?
Yeah. Do we have grinding meat?
No.
Dang.
Yes.
We do?
Yeah.
Perfect. I'll
Meatloaf.
Yeah. Oh, that brown chicken.
I feel like I mean, go for it, but you'll have to make it before I make my bread then. Because you're probably going to use the same pan, right?
I don't cook dinner at 11. I cook dinner like at 5.
Dina, I'm not saying you're cooking dinner now. I'm saying because you're probably using the same tin as me. Because look, that's the shape of a meatloaf.
I have to see if I can make it without
Also,
brown sugar.
meatloaf. I need to like not eat this cake. I need to like write this report.
It's not. It's not this guy. No, that's not him.
Gloves and jacket and say police. In one of the videos, they stop and open a set of doors. Arrived to church early to set up for a 5 a.m. workout class. Weather forced
Yeah, she was there at 3 a.m. Look, a hammer.
in process. Although not
Broken glass on the floor.
I need to know who killed her.
Police member described the wall as feminine.
In the video?
Yeah.
But they said that police guy ended up being, what, a real policeman, right?
Yeah, but his alibi put him not at the time.
So, yeah, so whose walk are they referring to? Because the person
That
from the
was
video.
actually a woman, because they also realized the height between 5'2" and 5'7".
Right. In the studio, a woman came in.
Yeah, they think that. Now, the reason I think it's a woman is that they stopped it, but it's like, wait, why do we all of a sudden assume it was a man?
Right.
This woman clearly was having some kind of passionate affair
Right.
with something.
Mm-hmm.
And they're like, what?
So they think
and
that one of her clients, or just the woman of the person she's cheating on, came in and killed her.
Yeah. And then they think that suit was a diversion to make it think it was a man. And
Oh, so she was one in the suit, they think.
Yeah.
Dina's watching this true crime thing, right?
I think
And
it's
so
Yeah,
there's a
I
video.
heard
So we're watching this video. They don't know if it's like a male or female.
But they
But right
think
now, the way this person approached the door, Dina gets female vibes from it. So now we want to test with a male if it. Okay, ready?
There are new developments this morning in the investigation of a woman's murder at a Texas church. Police released more surveillance video of the suspected killer who dressed like a police officer and was seen wandering around the halls.
They went this. Men usually open the door like this.
Morning in
And
the
also between
investigation of a
5'2" and
woman's murder
5'7".
at a Texas church. Police released more surveillance video of the suspected killer who dressed like a police officer and was seen wandering around the halls. Person is seen early Monday.
I don't know.
Missy Bever's body.
You get female dressed as in a male suit to make it seem like a man.
A woman's murder at a Texas church.
Okay, I don't want to sound rude, but sometimes, like I said, when people tend to be overweight, their movements
Yeah,
are shifted.
Yeah.
He
So
is
this person
overweight.
is clearly
He is.
overweight, and they have a hindrance in their walk.
Even the husband thought it was a woman who killed the wife.
Like a vengeful mistress, the wife of the.
But it's
Okay.
it was like you couldn't really tell, but if it was, I'll tell you. It
The
was
height
male.
is between 5'2" and 5'7".
Oh yeah, the height is 5'2", 5'7", between that range. And
Okay,
most
so that guy
American
could be
men
short.
are above that,
Yeah,
or
or
could just
above
be a
that.
short guy.
Yeah. Hey, Rock.
Wait, that guy could be a woman.
That body right there,
Yeah.
I'm getting
Yeah,
female
yeah.
vibes.
Forces of criminal minds. That's what you get. FBI in the making.
I'll
Look,
say
look.
this.
That's
Why?
female. That right there, I'm getting female vibes. But you know what I'm thinking? They wore this SWAT chest thing to cover the chest. Think about it.
They wore this whole thing to make it seem like it was a man.
No, they
But
are
he wasn't
covering.
smart enough to use the
They're
blood
wearing
as
a
accusation.
SWAT. Why are you wearing a SWAT
But he wasn't smart
thing
enough then.
in a church?
But the person was smart enough then to use the to cover the blood. So I don't think he'd be smart enough to even think about that.
Well, they never got caught, so they're smart. Period.
Oh, that's true.
Terry Missy Beaver says she showed up at the church
Wow, this made it onto CNN, Good Morning America. Gail King was on it.
Also,
Church in Midland.
Go back to that previous clip where it's like they're
I'm
walking.
pulling up the both of them.
Someone dressed
At the same time?
Okay, yeah, it's whatever. Actually, we can watch the next one.
Yeah.
here with a jacket.
Slow, that does.
That one gives me female vibes. I don't
Yeah,
know.
female.
Help hide the
So it's-
intruder's identity. There's no easy way.
And then this one.
Morning in the investigation
Hey,
of a
girl.
woman's murder at a Texas church. Police release more surveillance video of the suspected killer who dressed
That one
like
was
a
more
police
male.
officer and was
More
seen
male, but
wandering
they're
around.
still a little female. So.
but the way they open that door, whenever a guy opens the door, they go like this. Women oft more times go like that.
I do have a tendency to like approach it from the top and then bring it down instead of from the sideways and then, you know what I mean? I kind of like
Woman
come.
goes top, yeah.
Open the door more like this.
See what I
time.
mean?
When I open the door, I go like that.
Yeah, I go from the top bottom. Maybe this is just being dramatic but I don't know.
On soft case.
Cocaine.